Hey guys, welcome to episode 8. Today we are doing some nocturnal animals. Now there are different nocturnal animals all over the world, right? But today I thought we could do some that are in my backyard and maybe yours too. So grab some paper and something to draw with and maybe a flashlight. And let's draw. Okay, friends, the first nocturnal animal I have for us is going to be none other than an owl. So I'm going to do this owl in just a few simple steps. Actually, all of these critters in a few steps. So I'm going to start with a wide U shape like that. And I'll zoom in a little. Then I'll just close it off. And we'll give the owl some ears, although I don't think those are really the ears. And some really big eyes. And I'm going to make this shape here. Almost like it's wearing a mask. And a beak. Some cute little wings. And for the feet, I'll just do like 3 little lines coming out like that. And you can add some feather shapes, which are just little U's. And maybe I want to put this owl on a branch. So let's put the top part of the branch like that. And the bottom. And maybe it kind of splits like the stick. The branch splits like that, and then we could add some a leaf or 2 if we wanted. And maybe this owl is just wide awake here. Great job! Hoot! Now I have a fox for you. Kind of similar to that raccoon we did if you did the woodland critters. So I'm just going to give this fox a rectangle body to start. Super simple. And then we'll give this fox a nose. Some really big ears. Oh yeah, and a tail. Looks like a banana. And this is kind of where the white tip is. We can do it up here too for those like black tips on the fox's ear. Some eyes. What's he looking at? And some legs. I'm gonna do them like really cute. So I'm gonna put a number 11 in here and then do 1, 2, 3. Yeah, I like that. and some fur. La, 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 la. Cute. The next nocturnal animal I have for us is a skunk. Skunky skunk. Now I think skunks are really cute, but that's just me, okay? So let's start with a little mountain, a little hill. And we'll give this skunk a nose and some eyes. Some cute little ears. And some feet. Maybe a belly. A smile. Then let's do a hand. And a really big skunk tail. Like that. We need those two stripes right on the skunk tail. So it's kind of hard to see, but if I were to color it, I would color this in black here and there, or whatever color you want to make your skunk. And so these two stripes would be left white. And let's make our skunk. I'm going to put another little arm out there and just draw a dot like his fists. He's making a fist because he's holding a flower. Aww, that's so cute. Cute little skunk. Great job, you guys. The last night critter I have for you is a possum. And we'll put this possum on all fours again too. So I'm gonna draw just like a really long triangle, like that. Put a nose on the end of that triangle. And do a really like sneaky eye. Some ears. And some feet. Do these little, oh yeah, sneaky. And then I'm just gonna put that long possum tail at the end. Kind of looks like a rat. That's okay. And we can do some fur. Cool. Simple, right? That's what I said. I told you. Great job, everyone. Thank you guys so much for hanging out and drawing with me. I hope you had fun doing these nocturnal animals. I hope I see you next week for episode 9. And great job. And you're a rock star. And I gotta go. Bye, guys.